Nothing. I love brushing up your hair. Hmm? Yeah, it's pony. Come on. I'm sorry.
I don't like this.
I want to make sure you have your homework. And Naya, don't forget to drink your water, okay?
How about that side?
Yeah.
Where's this?
And send it to mommy. Look, Baba, it's 33 degrees outside. Oh my god, it's so cold. Come on. I love you. You have no pack lunch today and only school lunch for you. Okay, and it's a short day. Pick you up, okay? Love you, bye.